You know we bring the ink to life. Must you know. Two of them are far from baby state, suffering like slavery days. Used to skip school for smoke raving years. Rough that's the way they race, they never have no lady beers. Puffy was the gangster though, Tyler even pierce the ears. Puffy tell him stand up youth and face your fears. Never make them waste your tears. As the years go by, Tyler start the years of fear. Tyler getting wilder, why? No one in this place no care. Tyler lost both parents, one better days appeared. So them touch up into teen. I grade them up off shatter, bust up in the skin. Tyler said the girl them love us, want fi focus cause we clean. Try to make the paper, yeah the crocus bag of green. Moving fuck up on them mean, trusting no one but the team. Puffy meet a girl, him say lover and queen. Settle down and move in at the age of 17. Still a roll with Tyler though, chasing all him dream. Puffy start move different, know what that mean. Plus Puffy get a youth and want to show where the machine. Tyler still a tug it out, addicted to the street like a fiend. To the street life, no sweet life, you seem right, you scream. Puffy try to tell him say he calm. Tyler said the devil real, him say hell him no say every friend him born. Split in 9 mouth, Mac 11 9 palm. If a solo then a solo, Puffy cool up me warm. Rolling out your afraid out a road when me gone. Puffy hesitate fi move member and youth and say a psalm. He head over here through the valley of the shadow of death. Them can't do no harm, Puffy can't back down. Him get Tyler the first gun, get Tyler the first spliff. No time for the hearse come. Puffy was the killer when time they were young. And if a boy violate upside the world turn anyway. Two of them drop a jail. Puffy girl money proper, so the shatter got a bail. Puffy try bust out Tyler, everything him try that a fail. Not even a eye, not a ear, no phone call. Tyler cry out in himself, but Puffy get a visa, fly out and doing well and start push drugs and buy house well big like hotel. If Puffy dead or alive, Tyler couldn't tell, but it's like to move the spell. Tyler back on road again, so the gun them a feel load again. Tyler back on road again. Tyler get a link figure foreigner as a contract killer. Get some drop top dimmer and some hot girl figure. Yam the cock like dinner, the mad black sinner. On top ya winner, him got that spinner. But Puffy and no puppy, Puffy cash got bigger. Big drug lord in top class nigga. How him get the money, the cops can't figure. Plus the killer them want wet him like him drop na river. Couple months pass, time for something we jump off. Time for Tyler get the job done, pick up the gun fast. No, worry your head man, I go gun him down boss. One night after club when the dopey done flash. Tyler, get the car and get the mask. From a war him now go ask him a pop off and make it blast. Never know a Puffy, just orders from the boss. We kill him long time friend, brothers from the class. Tyler pull up at the club, ready waiting. Puffy inside the heavy V celebrating. Tyler second at the car, I tell him dating. We give him everything, not even make the pebble grazing. Puffy step out with a white gal, very clear skin. Seem jewel with them from far, couple melon wearing. Couple dogs drown him, not evil, devil scare him. Strapped down, looking like a hell him raise him. Tyler see him there, well, him look for couple second. Pull the car with the right, 45 in the left hand. Tuck it 9 ways, ready for bust it 9 chest hand. Creep up like rum, shot a beat up that me dep on. Puffy spot the brake and fire first. Whoops the car tire burst. Tyler second dead, that me the boss and figure higher earth. Tyler bust it back, all the gal brain fly a dirt. All who no die a spurt, a cops them a try alert. Puffy gun empty, Tyler gun one in. Puffy start run, not just the two of them standing. Tyler run him down with one shot in at the clip. And if him squeeze and him not dead, him a go hold him and strangle him.
Oh God. There my dream, you know, since my day I talk about some music thing there. And when the general drop the new thing.
Yeah, God, that now there when I pray to you, long time for dropping it.
Story part 2, man.
Yeah, man, to shot, man.
Oh, man, man.
Oh,
Yeah. Remember we bring the ink to life. Genocide. Puffy gun empty, Tyler gun one in. Puffy start run, not just the two of them standing. Puffy start run, not just the two of them standing. Anyway, a Puffy drop, and you know Tyler now itchy bust the glock. Can't wait till him turn over, crack him head back the glock jam, not even a ratchet me no got. Siren and car on sound of the cop. Puffy just a listen for the sound of this trap. Remember him a kill out a road, so him not shock him. Just a wonder why my wait so long to make him hard stop. Tyler squeeze off like a bomb puff. Puffy still conscious, head back in pieces. You're reaching the wrong stuff. That Tyler tell him as him start to turn him over. Puffy losing too much blood, body getting colder. Puffy want to look the killer straight in him eye, and Tyler want to see him face. Two of them a soldier. Two of them apart from baby stage. Two of them apart from baby stage. Tyler can't believe and Puffy confused. Tyler hard cold but this a wrong move. We apart from box truck marble, mackerel and rice dog, one shirt and one shoes. Can't believe me take your life, my brother. Me if you protect your life, my brother. Even though you turn your back on me and I would never left me in a jail for rotting a dog that never clever. Tyler running as him get him thoughts together. Me want to kill the boss and burn the cheddar. Then shoot myself, it kinda rough to live with this forever. However, Puffy never genuine like leather. Tyler killer, killer go kill again. Tyler killer, killer go kill again. Tyler non-change, load this tech. Him go deny night, fi show respect. Anybody member him face and a move off key. Him prepare, fi bore him neck. Puffy I'm dog kill death. Him go the funeral to show respect. When him say Puffy gal a ball, Puffy son a ball, just so the thing set. Tyler walk over, counting him steps. Don't know what he say, drowning in sweat. Knowing himself, him not have no regret. Him touch Puffy youth and say the Lord gon' protect. And who are we that far from baby state, suffering like slavery days. Used to skip school for smoke revenues. Rough, that's the way we race, we never have no lady ways. Puffy was the youngster though, Tyler Diva Pierce him here. Couple years pass, Puffy youth a grown now. Puffy can't forget him, that kinda old now. Tyler turn big Dan, start make him own though. Him kill the boss, yeah, him in control now. Him keep the link with Puffy youth, send him money now and then. Anything you want, you can call me phone yo. And tell your mother say, she's not alone yo. Living the life, yeah, strap up with the chrome though. Anyway, Puffy and Tyler youth apart. Strip club, champagne, fastest a car. Tyler start, fuck the mother, plus she need help. Can't do it by yourself and the bills that she start. Puffy youth never like that. Every day I pray God bring my father life back. Fuck college man, strap up with a nice Glock. Tell my folks me selling coke on the corner when night drop. Till one day Puffy youth link Tyler. Two of them sit down on a bed. Puffy and Tyler was like brother. He might teach him to make meal. Door knock, door knock, door knock, door fly. Pussy wall don't move or your dome fly. 4 guys dress up in a full block.